Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Dear student, today we will learn a new shape. The name of the shape is rectangle. On page number 4, look at this shape. This is rectangle. A rectangle has 4 sides. Dear students, count with me. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. And the opposite sides are equal. Look at the picture, students. This is blackboard. What is this? This is blackboard. This blackboard is a rectangle. Now let's do the activity. Look at the pictures one by one. This blue picture is rectangle. This TV is not a rectangle. This door is a rectangle. This ball is not a rectangle. Tick the rectangle pictures. Now look at the pictures. Activity number 2. Circle the rectangle. This traffic sign is not rectangle. This watermelon is not rectangle. This blackboard is rectangle. This window is rectangle. So circle the rectangle shapes. Very good. Dear students, today we will learn the rectangle shape. Rectangles has 4 sides, 2 long sides and 2 short sides.